Hello. As the great philosopher George Santayana once said, we must welcome the future, remembering that soon it will be the past, and we must respect the past, remembering that it was once that was all humanly possible. I am Anuradha Sharma, your coordinator and assistant professor with the Department of Computer Science and Information Technology. I extend congratulations to all of you for successfully enrolling into our university. In the words of great Nelson Mandela, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. We at JRU will help you to reach there. You will get a chance to reinvent and execute your ideas into reality. Remember students, you don't have to beat other to win. You have to beat the current version of you to evolve into something even better. That's the true nature of winning when you win from yourself. So to all those who really intends to take a leap forward, you are at the right place. Good luck and thank you.
मेरी मंजिल कहाँ है, न पूछो कि मेरी मंजिल कहाँ है, अभी तो सफर का इरादा किया है, न हारूंगा हौसला उम्र भर, ये मैंने किसी और से नहीं, झारखंड राय यूनिवर्सिटी से वादा किया है. A very warm welcome to all of you. I, Dr. Priyanka Srivastava, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and IT, wish to congratulate each one of you on having the broad decision to choose to study at Jharkhand Rai University, Ranchi. I will definitely meet you very soon in the upcoming semester with certain programming papers or other technical papers. Thank you.
Welcome students. My name is Dr. Sanjay Pandey and I have been mentoring students and motivating students for almost 20 plus years. So as far as my association with Jharkhand Rai University is concerned, I have been associated with the university for last few years and I found that this university is one of the best university not only in the Jharkhand but it has its appearance in other states also. So there are lots of other states students who are also enrolling in this university as because this university is a knowledge hub. Because it is your first session, the Roots program, this is first of its kind. No other university providing these kinds of program. So it is the first of its kind. It has been providing the Roots program to get you aware before starting the session. So once the session is got started, you will find the faculty member, the administration section and the other staffs are very cooperative and very kindly. And one thing which is very important, because I have been associated for the placement part also. So once you are completing your degree, before completion means if you are in your final semester, you will get a job letter. That is for sure. But for that what you need to do extraordinary performance during your academic session. Recently, there are lots of international events in COVID area which is being conducted by Jharkhand Rai University, and this university will get remarkable appreciation not only from India but from other Asian countries also. So I think this is your right step because you have taken the admission. So first step is right. Now the next step, learn it here, do the classes regularly, don't get absentees, and you will get a lot of knowledge. Not only the knowledge, not only in the field of computers or management or pharmacy or other areas, you will get real life experiences because there are a lot of industries people who has been associated with this organization for so many years. So once again I'm welcoming you all of you and wish you good luck for your upcoming session which is sooner get started. So thanks, and I'm Dr. Sanjay. Once again welcome you to this university. So stay safe, stay healthy, and let's see you in the class.
Hello students, This is Dr. Anita Singh from Life Skills. Very good morning to you. This is strange that we are meeting in such circumstances. Otherwise, we would have been in class, and that would have been quite enjoyable. Though this is the best substitute for the present scenario. We shall be, of course, meeting in the Moodle classroom. We have a Moodle platform. Of course, you will be introduced to it, and we shall have the classes on this platform. Now, students, life skills you must be thinking, because I don't know whether you have had life skills as a subject previously in your school days, but in the college and in the universities, life skills is very important. This is going to teach you to negotiate your way in your life as well as your career. Like, we'll be mostly learning the communication skills in different modes, the soft skills, the etiquettes and manners, how to give a presentation, how to have a debate, how to have a meeting, how to write a letter, and so on. So these are the different modes of learning which we'll be having in your classes, and it will be quite enjoyable. And if you learn it and if you pay attention to it, there is no.
Good morning, students. I am Rajan Kumar Tiwari, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Information Technology. At the very outset, I heartily welcome all the fresher students to our university. You will be glad to hear that our university focuses on shaping our students into successful professionals through strategic teaching of both theoretical and practical aspects. During the course of education, I am highly encouraged to share that I will be teaching you two subjects: software constructs and tools in BCA and computer communication networks in MCA. And I ensure you that we will do everything possible to equip you with the best possible teaching resources, practical exposure, and training methods. I am certain that you will find these years the most inspiring years of your life. I hereby wish you all a very happy and academically fulfilling journey ahead and an outstanding stay in the university. Thank you.
Friends, this is Professor Amrind, and I am an assistant professor at Department of Computer Science and Information Technology. And on behalf of entire department, I welcome you to the Jharkhand Rai University, and hope this pandemic will end very soon and we will meet physically, and the classes will be go as in a flow. And till then, we will start our courses in Moodle. And also from today you will be having your roots classes. So till then, stay tuned and stay safe at your home, and we will meet very soon. Okay.
Hello students, congratulations to all for selecting right platform to study Jharkhand Rai University. I, Dr. Ashish, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science and Information Technology, welcome you all in this university. We will learn together some programming language and some other technical papers. Hope we will enjoy learning together in upcoming semester. Definitely we will meet soon. Thank you.
Welcome to all my dear students in the new journey at Jharkhand Rai University. I, Kriti Verma, lecturer at Jharkhand Rai University, I am going to teach you mathematics in your whole course. Just some of the students feel mathematics very easy subject, and some of you are feeling mathematics very difficult. So I'm just telling you that you have to keep in your mind three things. That number one, you have to keep formulas in your fingertips. Number two, you have to revise the lessons every day. Number three, you have to practice at least one question every day. If not every day, you can do it alternate basis also. If you will do it alternately also, then also you can secure very good marks in your whole academics. So because nowadays it has become very compulsory, and it's the need also that you have to be good in your academics, as well as you have to participate in some co-curricular activities also, so that you can become a all-rounder student. And at last I want to just give you the best wishes that this is the start of your session in your college life. Just all blessings with you all, so that you can perform very well in this whole academic year. And best wishes. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Prakash Anand. I'm a lecturer in Computer Science and IT Department, and I wish you a very warm welcome to Jharkhand Rai University. I will be taking the papers such as database management system, computer network, security, object-oriented modeling and design, object-oriented programming. These are the papers that I will take you in the upcoming semesters. And during the time spent in pursuing the course in Jharkhand Rai University, you will get a very happy and learning environment. And at last, I thank you and very warm welcome.
सबसे पहले आप लोगों को सुप्रभात और झारखंड राय यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ जुड़ने के लिए ढेर सारी बधाई, और साथ ही साथ आपका झारखंड राय यूनिवर्सिटी में स्वागत है। मेरा नाम वकील कुमार है और मैं रूट्स क्लास में आप लोगों को अप्लाइड मैथमेटिक्स के बारे में बताऊंगा, जिसका सभी सीएस और आईटी में बहुत ही ज़्यादा महत्व है। रूट्स क्लास में मैं आप लोगों को ये सेट, रिलेशन फंक्शन और फिर उस काउंटिंग टेक्निक और फिर उसके बाद प्रोबेबिलिटी के बारे में बेसिक आइडिया दूंगा। मेरा जो टोटल टीचिंग एक्सपीरियंस है वो 9 इयर्स अबव है, और मैं बैचलर डिग्री संत कोलंबस कॉलेज विनोबा भावे यूनिवर्सिटी से, मास्टर डिग्री पटना साइंस कॉलेज पटना यूनिवर्सिटी से, एमफिल रांची यूनिवर्सिटी से, और प्रेजेंटली मैं पीएचडी पे वर्क कर रहा हूँ। थैंक यू।